The Orient Sun and Moon version 3. Affordable beauty or overrated beast? Let's find out. Welcome to the Watch Closet. I'm COE33, Co for short. And guys, I think it's safe to say that I'm cuckoo for watches. If you enjoy watch collecting content as much as I do, help me grow this channel and appease those algorithm overlords by subscribing and ever so gently polishing that like button. Before we get into the unboxing, let's do a wristwatch check. I figured I'd keep with the dress watch theme and wear my Movado. It's got a nice black minimalist dial, automatic movement, stainless steel bracelet, and butterfly clasp. All right, here we are. I wanted to add an Orient watch to my collection for years. The value proposition seems really almost too good to be true when you consider that these watches are made completely in-house at their headquarters in Japan, including the automatic movement. When trying to decide which Orient to purchase, I narrowed the search down to fan favorite Bambino, the Kamasu Diver, and the Sun and Moon. Ultimately, I decided on the Sun and Moon, specifically the version 3 with the Roman numeral indices. Okay, quick little backstory before we start the unboxing. The company was founded by Shigeru Yoshida in 1901 as the Yoshida Watch Shop in Tokyo. And over the years, the company evolved and the names changed. In the early 50s, it became Orient Watches, and that's because they had a successful launch of their first mass-produced watch, the New Orient, thus the name Orient Watches. So pretty cool. These watches are all in-house, and they're very affordable, too, for what you get. It's pretty remarkable. I really think they are one of the leaders in the industry as far as value proposition, as far as what you get for the price. Orient's kind of hard to beat. And I'm excited about this, guys. I've been looking forward to this, and I think we should just get into it, huh? A little unboxing. Okay, so we have outer packaging here with the little Orient logo kind of embossed and the shiny metallic silver there. Nice and simple outer sleeve. There we go. We don't need that. And then over here, we got the inner box. Has the Orient logo there, nice and clean and simple. Not much going on here as far as packaging, but these are fairly affordable watches. Opens up on a hinge there. Got another hinge right there. And we have some instructions and packaging, don't need that. And there it is, look at that, guys, right off the bat. There is the watch. Wow, what a beauty. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of blown away right off the bat. Okay, so let's get this out of here. And it's on a nice little velvet pillow. And of course we've got a hang tag there, Orient, right there on the hang tag. And here's our first nice close-up of this watch. Let's see if we can get the reflections to go. There we go. So a lot going on this dial. Now, I picked this watch up for $219, and I will leave affiliate links to the Orient Sun and Moon on Amazon in the description below if you're interested. Using those links does help out the channel, so thank you very much. And wow, what a winner. I'm really kind of blown away. So let's see, what do we have here? We got applied Roman numeral indices, Breguet hand with a seconds hand there. We've got the Orient logo between the 1 and the 2. And then we've got the day register. We've got the date register. Nice depth there. Look at the date register. Look at the depth. It's got kind of a stepped platform there. Really nice 3D effect. And then you have a sun and moon. Now, it's not a true moon phase complication. It is a sun and moon indicator. So a big difference there, but that's not surprising. At this price point, you're not going to get a actual moon phase indicator. That would be absolute madness. Now, if that were something that a company were able to come out where you could get actual moon phase for a couple $100, sign me up. But I think to have that sun and moon indicator is very cool, especially at this price point. Okay, very nice polishing on this. Look at that. This is the rose gold tone, and actually, boy, this polishing looks superb. Why don't we get out the microfiber cloth here? Let me give this a nice little polish. Let's see, what are we working with here? Yeah, that looks amazing. That's super impressive. Nice crystal there. Yeah, this looks great. Let's get this off of this pillow. And a leather band, deployment clasp. So now this doesn't appear to have a sticker on the actual watch itself. Now, I don't know if that's normal for Orient, or this maybe was a display model or something. I'm not sure. Is there a sticker back here? Oh, there's a little tiny sticker right here. That sticker is really on there. I'm gonna have to get some like rubbing alcohol or something, huh? But that's okay. Nice display case back. We've got a nicely proportioned crown that is signed. You can see the Orient logo there on the crown. So very nice. And why don't we get this hang tag off of here, shall we? Let's give this a little snip. Boom. Okay, one removed hang tag. And then we got a little plastic on this clasp. We'll get this off of there. Oh, maybe a little ASMR for you guys. Let's have quiet on set for a second. Very nice. Okay, so deployment clasp. Now this is not the full review, so I'm not going to go into the full specs of this watch. This is just the unboxing. Stay tuned for the full review at a later date, of course. And first impressions, I'm kind of blown away. So I know there's a couple little small controversial things with this watch, not much, just little minor things that I see people pointing out. One is that the Tuesday there on the day register is kind of on the inner circle versus the outer circle like the rest of the days. And yeah, that's a little funky, but I kind of see why they did that. And honestly, from a design perspective, I feel like this all flows very well. Classical stylings. It's got the like the guilloche pattern there, the Roman numeral indices, the dots around the outer ring there. It's got 2 screws there, very nice detail. I love the kind of sparkly, glossy finish there on the sun, very nice. Got that real shiny, reflective finish, very cool. Nice, as I said, in-house automatic movement. You can see the rotor there is signed, and it's got some detail work there on the rotor. And what a nice piece. This is a real beauty, guys. So I look forward to wearing this over the next week or so, collecting my thoughts on it, giving it some good wrist time, and yeah, collecting a little information for the full review. That's my unboxing and first impressions of the Orient Sun and Moon version 3. Stay tuned for the full review coming to the channel soon. I'm posting new videos every Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can count on that. It's like clockwork. Follow me with my watch collecting adventures on Instagram at Cuckoo for Watches. I'm live streaming on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday. Follow me over there for wrist checks and retro gaming at COE33. And if you're enjoying the content, be sure to check out this video discussing the amazing watch collection of the most horologically savvy superhero, Dr. Strange. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your watches wound and your sapphires polished.